Remember 2 years ago, back in 2024, everyone said Intel was dead. They were losing money. Their technology was behind. Their stock price was crashing. People genuinely thought this giant American company might go bankrupt. But look at today. It is January 2026. The stock nearly doubled last year, and it is still going up. Intel is suddenly the hottest story in tech again. How did this happen? How did a dying company come back to life so quickly? I did research into the market changes, and today I will explain the 5 simple reasons why Intel is back. If you look at the stock market today, January 11th, 2026, Intel is flying high. But the turnaround wasn't magic. It happened because of very specific changes in leadership, technology, and a massive amount of money. Let's break it down simply. Reason number 1 is the most important. Their new technology actually works. For years, Intel's biggest problem was manufacturing. They couldn't make the smallest, fastest chips anymore. They fell behind competitors like TSMC. Intel promised a new manufacturing plan called 18A, but for a long time, investors were scared it would fail. Well, just a few days ago at the CES Tech Show, Intel proved them wrong. They successfully launched their new Panther Lake laptop chips. These chips use that new 18A technology. The early tests show they are fast and very efficient with battery life. This was proof of life. It proved that Intel can still build top-tier technology. Reason number 2, a major leadership change. Back in 2024, the old CEO, Pat Gelsinger, was trying to do too many things at once, and the company was bleeding cash. He left late in 2024. In early 2025, a new CEO took over Lip-Bu Tan. Wall Street loves this guy. He is a disciplined business person. He immediately started cutting projects that were losing money and focused only on what was important. He brought trust back to the company. Reason number 3 is money. Intel now has a lot of money. In 2024, the biggest fear was that Intel would run out of cash. That fear is totally gone now. In 2025, Intel got 3 huge financial lifelines. First, in a shocking move, Nvidia invested $5 billion into Intel to work together on new chip designs. Second, SoftBank invested another $2 billion. And third, and most importantly, the US government converted its grants into ownership. The US government is now the largest shareholder in Intel, with a stake worth nearly $10 billion. This signaled to the market that the United States government will not let Intel fail. The risk of bankruptcy went to 0. Reasons 4 and 5 go together: political support and future customers. Intel has strong support from the US president, who recently praised the new chips and the new leadership. The government wants an American company to win the chip war. Also, Intel is trying to become a foundry. This means making chips for other companies. 2 years ago, nobody wanted to use Intel's factories. But now that the new technology works, there are credible rumors that big companies, even Apple, are testing Intel's factories for future products. So, to summarize, Intel didn't just get lucky. They rebounded because they proved their new manufacturing technology works. They hired a strict new CEO, and they received billions of dollars from Nvidia and the US government. What do you think? Is Intel stock still a good buy in 2026, or did you miss the boat? Let me know in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more market updates. Thanks for watching.